I'm going to jump on this trend. 5 things I will not do.
The video was so popular of the 5 things I will not do as a clinical animal behaviorist who specializes in working with horses who have behavior problems. I thought I would do the 5 things I will do. Number 5, buy horses from breeders who understand the negative impacts of prematurely weaning horses at 4 to 6 months of age. Under natural conditions, weaning is a gradual process where the physical and psychological bond between mare and foal is gradually broken, usually between 8 to 11 months of age. Weaning horses at 4 to 6 months of age causes them harm, and we shouldn't be doing it. Number 4, use shaping. Shaping is taking a complex skill that we want to teach the horse and breaking it down into small, achievable steps that we reinforce along the way. Horses who are taught in this manner learn faster and show fewer signs of stress, so we should use shaping whenever we're teaching something new. Number 3, primarily use reinforcement to train. So reinforcement is anything that makes a behavior more likely to happen again in the future. And the opposite of reinforcement is punishment, which is anything that makes a behavior less likely to happen again in the future. So when I'm personally training, I try to stay on the side of just reinforcing behaviors rather than punishing behaviors that I don't want to see happen. Number 2, making sure that my horse is physically fit and comfortable enough to do the job that I want them to do. So if my horses are ridden, that they are sound and comfortable when they're ridden. So that includes things like having a saddle fitter out, making sure their dental care is up to date, making sure they have good health care, hoof care, and that they're fed an appropriate diet. So making sure that my horse is as able to do the job that I'm asking them to do, as best able to do it as possible. And number 1, about a decade ago, I coined the term the 3 F's to describe the horse's basic needs. And those are friends, forage, and freedom. So horses have evolved to always be with other horses, to always be able to move and engage freely in normal behaviors, and to eat on a near continual basis. So no matter where my horses are living, I ensure that they can have as much full-time access to the 3 F's as possible.